Good day everyone! Andito ako ngayon sa project natin, Antel Grand Village. And yan na. And medyo matagal yung ating update dito no dahil meron tayong inasikasong napakagandang opportunity. Ayan, laging opportunity. Anyway guys no, kung bago ka pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, my name is Ray. Dito po ko sa Antel for 12 years. And shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga homeowners, lot owners, at yung mga bumili ng property dito way back 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So mga like 15 years ago, no, bumili ng property dito sa Antel Grand Village. And right now, ang ganda na ng improvement dito. Ang dami nang nakatira. Napakaganda no kasi very urbanized area na. And then right now, this is a city already. So meaning to say, ang daming infrastructure, ang daming mga commercial area. So then very accessible going to all major destination. And right now, iikot tayo dito sa ating Grand Riverdale dahil meron tayo ditong for sale property na pwedeng ibang financing, pwede rin siyang i-deferred cash payment, or pwede rin siyang in-house financing, no? Kasi meron tayo dito house and lot package, and then lot only. We're in open dito sa lahat ng engineers, contractors, and the architects. And right now, papasok tayo sa Grand Riverdale. Mamamangha kayo sa ganda ng entrance pa lang. Yung entrance pa lang, look, no? Ang daming mga greens, ang daming mga ornamental plants, at ang daming open space kasi this is a open market, no? This is a open. Ayan. At ito yung pinaka-gate. Papasok tayo dito sa loob. Shout out po kay Mr. Sian. Ayan, kay Mr. Eric. Ayan, kay Ma'am Sheila. Hi. At ganito na yung ating lugar, oh. Tingnan mo. Imagine, ang daming mga puno. Ito yung magandang subdivision kasi hitik sa puno. Ayan. Malapad ang kalsada. Dalawa ko, guys. Malapad ang kalsada, hitik sa puno, at patag. So, ibig sabihin, less cost. Model house na California model unit. Alright, so ito yung ating Grand Riverdale. Ganito kalapad yung ating mga kalsada. Then, meron tayong mga open space. Meron tayong basketball court. And clubhouse no, dito sa loob ng Grand Riverdale. Ang maganda ay ang daming puno. Ito talagang maganda, guys. And ito yung ating California model home. Alright, ayan yung ating California model house. Malaking house to, no? Lot area, 175 square meters at least. And floor area of 203, no? 5 bedrooms. 3 bathroom and 2 car porch. Okay, so tingnan natin, no? This is the porch area. And right now, this is real time. Tingnan natin sa loob. Okay. Ayan. So, this house available sa bank financing for 15% down payment, then 85% through bank financing. So, gagawin natin yung bahay nyo pag buo na po yung down payment na 15% plus letter of guarantee from the bank and then loan proceeds. Alright, so this is the living area. And you have a kitchen, then you have a lanai area. Pwede kayo mag-request ng floor plan nito, no, para you have the idea. Then on this side, the lanai area, ayan. So maganda yung bahay kapag nasa corner lot. Tapos mayroon ka lang kapitbahay dun sa likod. Then the dining area. So ngayon, meron siyang 6 seaters dining. Then you have a double door refrigerator, island counter, and then you have a street counter with cabinet. Of course, right here you have a bathroom and then a bedroom that's sa baba. Ayan. So, total floor area nito ay nasa 203 square meters. Okay, high ceiling. Now, tingnan natin yung bedroom dito, guys, sa baba. This is the bedroom. Look. So, you have a double size bed and a modern cabinet. Of course, you have smart TV. Paglabas mo, ito na siya. Yan. Then, tingnan natin the bathroom. Dito sa side na to. Look at the bathroom. So, maganda yung mga counter. So, makikita mo yung bathroom. Ito kalaki. Ginagawa yung bahay na ito, guys, no? 12 months o 1 year. Once we receive the letter of guarantee and then the loan proceeds from the bank. This California model house, no? Pwede siya itayo dito sa Grand Riverdale and then doon sa bagong project natin, the Anyana Altotanza. Right. So, tingnan natin sa itaas. So, maganda nito ay 2 floors. Then, dito sa taas, you have 4 bedrooms. So, this is not the actual turnover, but the size, the shape. Pero yung interior is hindi siya kasama. No? The interior is pwede siyang kopyahin once turn over na namin yung unit. And then, dito po sa taas, you have 3 bedrooms. Okay, so check out the bedroom number 1. This is the bedroom number 2, by the way. So, you have a king-size bed, high ceiling, ang laki at ang lalapad ng mga window. Right. Look ko. Nice, diba? Ayan. Ang ganda naman ganit mga 120. Ayan. Alright. Anyway, no, before we turn over the property, no, we will do the refurbish. No, bago natin i-turn over yung property. This is the third room. So, 1 room so first room. Kasya dito ang California king size bed. Look ko. Pinagburot akong tiyan. Okay. So, the common bathroom sa itaas. The bathroom yun. Alright. Okay. So, at least you have an idea na. Then, tingnan natin the fourth room. This is the fourth room. Ayan. Look at the fourth room, guys. Very good. So, with the cabinet. Lahat ng angle. Tingnan natin. At least, this is a real time. Ayan. Makakasave kayo ng money, no? Lalo na kapag nag-tripping tayo. Kasi this is real time, so pwede tayong mag-request ng Google Earth para malocate nyo yung property, no? For reference. Then, tingnan natin the master bedroom. Look at the master bedroom. Wow. See? Nice. Okay, have a split air conditioning unit. Okay. The cabinet. Of course, you have a long balcony. Tingnan natin the bathroom. Anyway, no, if you haven't subscribed our channel, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that bell button to get notified for whenever I release new YouTube videos. So this is the bathroom area. Wow, nice bathroom. So, one of the house, no, na meron tayo din sa Antel, Grand Village, and Anyana. So, total contract price nito pong ating California model home. Umabot ito ng 18 to 20 million pesos, depende sa location. Pero pag bare unit, so, mga 15 million pesos, house and lot package. Ayan, so, ayan, yung community natin, ang ganda, oh. Diba? Ang lapad ng community at ang daming mga puno. Alright, so tingnan natin the balcony, guys. Shout out po sa lahat ng mga homeowners and lot buyers dito po sa Antel Grand Village na gusto niyo pong magpagawa ng bahay. Ayan, so ganito na kaganda ang ating community. Ayan, so message me sa aking WhatsApp or Viber. So we have a tie-up security bank para dito sa ating house construction. No? Kung may mga lote na kayo dito at gusto niyo pong magpagawa ng house, so just message me. So meron tayong security bank. And then, customized design, no? Pwede rin po. Ayan.
Right, so malapad po. Ang dami-dami pang mga property guys, pero the rest po yan, so na yan, no? Meron lang tayong iilan na lang dito po sa Grand Riverdale. So, advantage nito, going to Metro Manila and then Naiya, it's like a 22 minutes drive via Cavitex. Malapit dito sa Calax and then dito sa Ayala Mall. Alright, paglabas mo, lapit sa Ayala Malls. Alright, the master bedroom. Okay, the master bedroom area. Okay. So what can you say? So kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating house tour today, no, give us like, comment, and share sa inyong immediate extended and large family. So magandang mag-invest sa property because it's unique and then available sa bank financing. So meron tayong Paris model, meron tayong Nevada model house. Lahat ng bahay natin is conventional. Ayan, maganda ang elevation. This is a flood-free community. So we have ready for occupancy, no? Dito po sa Antal Grand Village. And then we have upcoming mga ready for occupancy.